we call Auntie Daycare. If this is your first time on this channel, I am so happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. Yes, we did hit 400 subscribers last week. I am so grateful. Thank you so much to 400 of you. Wow, you are the reason I'm here, and you encourage me to keep going. Thank you so very much. Please keep liking, keep commenting, keep subscribing. I really do appreciate. Keep sharing to your loved ones. Anyone you feel that needs these services, please do well to refer this channel. And I am so grateful. Thank you once again. Yes, so 2 weeks ago, we learned about different types of shapes in Yoruba. And today, we're going to be learning about different types of vehicles in Yoruba language. We're going to start with the type of vehicles on the ground, the type of vehicles over the sea, the types of vehicles in the air. So we're going to be learning all of that today. But you know, we have to greet everyone together in Yoruba language. On the count of Enio, Ejio, Etaoya, Ekaro, Ekason, Ekale. Akudeja siko gbogbo tí ẹ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni olùkọ́ Aunty Daycare. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, ní ọ̀sẹ̀ bíi méjì sẹ́yìn, a kọ́ nípa àwọn oríṣiríṣi shapes ta ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ nígbàgbọ́ wípé ẹ kọ́ àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi dáadáa, ẹ sì jẹ́ kí wọ́n tún sọ fúnra ara wọn ní èdè abínibí tiwa ti èdè Yorùbá. Ní ti tòní, a máa kọ́ nípa oríṣiríṣi ọkọ̀ tí a fi ń rin ìrìn àjò ní èdè Yorùbá. Báwo ni a ti ń sọ? Àwọn ọmọ wa mọ̀ lédè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì, àmọ́ ṣé wọ́n mọ̀ ní èdè abínibí wa? Ó yá o, gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ̀dẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀, èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì máa fi kọ́ àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi. Ó yá o, ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. All right, guys. So, like I said earlier, today we're going to be learning about different types of vehicles in Yoruba. Do you know what vehicle is called in Yoruba? Vehicle is called ọkọ̀. Okay? Ọkọ̀. That is what vehicle is called in Yoruba. Okay? So, the first one we're learning today is car. And car is called what? Ọkọ̀ ayọ́kẹ́lẹ́. Ọkọ̀ ayọ́kẹ́lẹ́. Did you get that? Can I try it one more time? Ọkọ̀ ayọ́kẹ́lẹ́. It simply means a car that goes quietly. We know not all cars go quietly, especially the sport cars. They go zoom, right? But car in Yoruba is ọkọ̀ ayọ́kẹ́lẹ́. Ọkọ̀ ayọ́kẹ́lẹ́. Ayọ́kẹ́lẹ́. Beautiful. So the second one we're going to be learning today is truck. And truck is called ọkọ̀ akẹ́rù. Ọkọ̀ akẹ́rù. Akẹ́rù. Ọkọ̀ akẹ́rù. Akẹ́rù. Did you get that? Beautiful. So the next one we're going to be learning today is fire truck. Do you know what fire truck does? Do you know the sound it makes? Wheel, 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 wheel. We all like to see fire trucks, don't we? Even though we don't like the fire. But we like to see fire truck because they're beautifully red in color. Okay, so fire truck. Do you know what fire truck is called? Give it a try. Give it a try. Go on. Go on. Ha, okay. It's called Ọkọ̀. Pano. 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 I know some of you say pano, pano. It's not pano, pano. It's pano, pano. Ọkọ̀. Pano, pano. Did you get that? Beautiful. Okay. Do you know the next one we're learning for today? Guess. It's got a red color too. Well, in London, it's a red color. And everyone likes to get at it. Give it a guess. Bus. What is bus called? I know different countries have got different colors for their buses. But in London, we've got a red, nice looking bus color, don't we? Okay, so guess, what do we call bus in Yoruba language? What do you call bus? It's called ọkọ̀. Akérò. Ọkọ̀. Akérò. Ọkọ̀. Akérò. Ọkọ̀. Akérò. Beautiful. Well done. Guess what the next one is for today? It's motorcycle. Can you guess what motorcycle is called in Yoruba? Give it a go. It's called alùpùpù. Oh, look at Jake, what are you doing? Yeah. It's a mouthful. Alùpùpù. Or if you prefer, ọ̀kadà. Okay? Ọ̀kadà. But I love to call it alùpùpù because that is the actual traditional name for a motorcycle. It is alùpùpù. But if you want to call it ọ̀kadà, you can. Okay? Ọ̀kadà. It's easier, isn't it, than alùpùpù? Well, alùpùpù or ọ̀kadà, you're just talking about the same thing. Did you get that? Beautiful. So the next one we're going to be learning today is ding ding, ding ding. That is bicycle. So what do you think we call bicycle in Yoruba? We call bicycle keke. I mean, that's easy enough. Keke. Keke. That is what we call bicycle. Keke. Can you repeat it after me? Say keke. Beautiful. See, it's so easy. Well done. Great job. You're doing so well today. So the next type of vehicle we're going to be learning about today is train. Choo-choo. 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 Guess what we call choo-choo in Yoruba language? Guess what we call a train in Yoruba language? Guess what we call train in Yoruba language? Choo-choo, choo-choo, choo-choo. Guess what we call a train? Ọkọ̀. Ojú irin. Ọkọ̀. Ojú irin. Okay? Ọkọ̀. Ojú irin. Say ojú. You remember what ojú is when we're learning about body parts, don't you? You know what ojú is. Right. Good. So we're saying ọkọ̀. Ojú irin. Ojú irin. Ojú irin. Ojú irin. Right? Choo-choo. Ọkọ̀. Ojú irin. That is beautiful. Well done. You're doing so well. Great. And then the next one we're going to be learning, then put this away. The next one we're going to be learning today is cable car. I believe you know what car is at this point, don't you? Right? Ọkọ̀ ayọ́kẹ́lẹ́, right? But this time, cable car is actually called ọkọ̀ olókùn iná. Ọkọ̀ olókùn iná. Ọkọ̀ olókùn iná. And that is the easier one. There is a tougher one, which I'm just going to say anyway. Ọkọ̀ olókùn agbénigòkè gíga. Ọkọ̀ olókùn agbénigòkè gíga. But the easier one is ọkọ̀ olókùn iná. Say olókùn. Olókùn iná. Ọkọ̀ olókùn iná. Or you can say ọkọ̀ olókùn agbénigòkè gíga. Did you get that? Ọkọ̀ olókùn iná or ọkọ̀ olókùn agbénigòkè gíga. Did you get that? Fantastic stuff. Then the next one is aeroplane. Aeroplane is what? Ọkọ̀ òfurufú. Ọkọ̀ òfurufú. Did you get that? Ọkọ̀ òfurufú. Beautiful. Well done. Then the next one we learn for today is boat. Boat is ọkọ̀ ojú omi kékeré. Ọkọ̀ ojú omi kékeré. Ọkọ̀ ojú omi kékeré. Okay? Ọkọ̀ ojú omi kékeré. Beautiful. And do you know what ship is called? Ship is called ọkọ̀ ojú omi. Ọkọ̀ ojú omi. Ọkọ̀ ojú omi. That's what ship is called. Can you guess what ferry is called? It is actually called ọkọ̀ èrò àwọ̀sọdá omi. Ọkọ̀ èrò àwọ̀sọdá omi. Okay? Ferry. Ọkọ̀ èrò àwọ̀sọdá omi. Ọkọ̀ èrò àwọ̀sọdá omi. Ọkọ̀ èrò àwọ̀sọdá omi. Did you get that? Did you get that? Okay, let's quick recap. So, car is what? Ọkọ̀ ayọ́kẹ́lẹ́. Truck is called ọkọ̀ akẹ́rù. Fire truck is called ọkọ̀ panápaná. Bus is called ọkọ̀ èrò or ọkọ̀ akérò. Motorcycle is called ọ̀kadà or alùpùpù. Bicycle is called kẹ̀kẹ́. Train is called ọkọ̀ ojú irin. Cable car is called ọkọ̀ olókùn iná or olókùn agbénigòkè gíga. Aeroplane is called ọkọ̀ òfurufú. Boat is called ọkọ̀ ojú omi kékeré. Ship is called ọkọ̀ ojú omi. And last but not the least, ferry. Ferry is called ọkọ̀ èrò àwọ̀sọdá omi. And that is it for today, guys. As you know, we have to say our order but together. On the count